Lost my colors, paint the sky. Now you're treading water in the depths of my mind. Gotta get out, gotta see things much more clear. Alone in my head, show me disappear. My world slowly sinking in this madness that I love. My world slowly sinking in this madness I've become. Melted flower off my sight, waiting for the sunlight, pull me from inside, take me moments from my mind. I've been wild up so damn tight, slowly be the death of me, and unwind. Slowly sinking in this memories that I love. My world slowly sinking in this memories I've become. We want it all. We want to say anything. We got it all. We want to say anything. Yeah!
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, dudes? We're the Secret Lives. Matt said it. Can we give it up for Matt? I mean, be real. This is called stalling, so I can take a breath for a second. Again, Andy said we're super psyched to be here. I just want to take a quick moment to introduce the band. Okay? So, no, it's my time now, Andy. Okay, no, just kidding. That's Andy. That's my sweet love, my other guy. We got Jan Tedby Stannis in the back on the drums, fucking bringing the thunder. I got Bill the Butcher Sterling on the boom boom boom. And I'm Rachel. There we go. My boobs are out, guys. I'm so sorry. Well, I mean, you're probably not sorry. There you go. Cool.
Wait, is that what it takes, man? Wait a second.
Devon has boobs too.
No.